Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Messages with the Memoji editor open. First, pick or create the Memoji you want to edit. Do not exit. Once selected, navigate straight to face, then lips, and choose a base color that matches skin tone or desired look. Make that change and save before you add liner. This ensures the liner layer reads correctly. You're now positioned to add definition precisely rather than correcting mismatched base colors later. Now you apply the liner itself. Select the liner or detail control in lips. Use small increments. Adjust width between 0.5 and 2.0 to test subtle versus bold edges. Pick a liner color 1 to 2 tones darker than the base to create natural definition. Avoid pure black unless aiming for stylized effect. Once done, trace the outer lip edge carefully, then preview at normal size so the contrast and thickness read correctly. Finish by previewing the Memoji at actual message size and under different screen brightness settings to confirm the liner looks balanced. Save the final Memoji, then export as a sticker or use it directly in conversations. If the liner appears too heavy or misaligned, undo the liner, reset the lips area, then reapply with slightly thinner width and one-tone adjustment. This fix corrects edge bleeding and restores natural definition without redoing the whole Memoji.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.